In prelims examination or the mains examination, we can expect question with regard to important bodies in Indian polity syllabus. So in this video, I'll be going to explain with regard to the three types of important body, that is constitutional body, statutory body, non-constitutional or non-statutory bodies. So what is meant by constitutional bodies? If any body is established by a provision of Indian constitution, then we can say those bodies are constitutional bodies. For example, Election Commission of India. Everybody is familiar with the Election Commission of India, which conduct election to the President of India, Vice President of India, then Parliament election and state legislature. So then we have a constitutional provision under Article 324, which talk about the Election Commission of India to conduct election to ensure free and fair election across the country. So Election Commission of India is a constitutional body. Then another type of body is statutory body. If any body is established by an act of the parliament, then we can call those bodies are statutory bodies. One recent example you might have seen, Competition Commission of India. So Competition Act of 2002, through this act we have established Competition Commission of India. So this is such an example for the statutory body. Then another type, the third type is non-statutory or non-constitutional. That means these bodies are neither established by the constitutional provisions nor by a law of the parliaments. These bodies are established by an executive resolution. For example, Niti Aayog. Earlier it was known as Planning Commission. The Planning Commission replaced Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is a non-constitutional body because it was constituted through an executive resolution. That is why these bodies are called as non-statutory or non-constitutional. Another example, Central Bureau of Investigation. It was also established through an executive resolution in 1963 during Lal Bahadur Shastri's tenure. So CBI is also another example of non-statutory body. So these three types of bodies are important. Either we can expect a question on what is meant by constitutional body, statutory body, or non-constitutional body or non-statutory bodies. We can also expect question like this body is a constitutional body. For example, Election Commission of India is a constitutional body or statutory body. Like this way we can expect a questions. Either National Tiger Conservation Authority is a statutory body. Like these kind of question we can expect in the prelims examination. Before ending the session, I have a question for you. Whether the Finance Commission of India is a constitutional body or statutory body or non-statutory body. If you know the answer, please give your answer in the comment box below, and we will come up with more videos in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the sessions and you got some idea regarding the important bodies. Thank you all.